कर रहे हैं, मंगुची कर रहे हैं, वो रश्मि मैडम बची। रश्मि मैडम का नंबर नहीं है, मैं लेके आऊं? रश्मि मैडम से बात हुई रंजना? रश्मि मैडम से बात हुई?
मैम उनसे बात हुई थी।
हाँ,
हाँ मैम, अभी कर रही
करो
हूँ। अभी कर रही हूँ एक बार फिर से, वैसे हो गई थी एक बार और कर रही हूँ।
कि ज्वाइन कर लीजिए मैडम।
सो मैडम ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया, तो वी कैन
नमस्कार
स्टार्ट।
रश्मि जी।
नमस्कार नमस्कार, कैसी हैं सुषमा जी?
बस ठीक हूँ।
बड़ी अच्छा लगा आपको
नमस्ते
मैडम हमारे सब्जेक्ट की है, होम साइंस की है,
नमस्कार।
प्रोफेसर रश्मि
ये
बिश्नोई मैडम। सर को मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करा रही हूँ।
हाँ
चलिए
जी।
संगीता जी
अच्छा
स्टार्ट कर
अच्छा।
दीजिए।
सभी सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं प्रोफेसर रश्मि बिश्नोई, प्रोफेसर होम साइंस में हूँ।
नमस्कार मैडम, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार नमस्कार।
चलिए
तो
स्टार्ट कर
लेट्स
दीजिए
स्टार्ट
संगीता
द
जी।
मीट। Good afternoon to all esteemed members present today. On behalf of the Institute and IQAC, I, Professor Sangeeta Arora, IQAC Coordinator, extend a cordial and respectful welcome to all the dignitaries present in the meeting of the selection committee convened under Career Advancement Scheme for Dr. Ranjana. The purpose of today's meeting is to evaluate the achievement of English for promotion from academic level 10 to academic level 11, strictly in accordance with UGC regulations, ensuring transparency, objectivity, and academic integrity throughout the process. At the outset, I wish to place on record our deep appreciation for the presence of our Honorable Principal, Professor Sushma Yadav Madam. Her visionary leadership, academic foresight, and constant encouragement to faculty members has significantly contributed to strengthening the culture of excellence within the institute. I now take the honor of introducing the director's nominee, Professor Rashmi Bishnoi Madam, Principal, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rajkiya Mahavidyalaya, Aliganj. For this CAS promotion meeting, we are honored to have with us eminent educationalist, widely respected for contribution to higher education, academic administration, and quality assurance mechanism. It is a matter of great honor to introduce our illustrious subject experts, Professor Manoj Kumar, Department of English, MEL, University of Allahabad, Prayagraj, and Professor Avdesh Kumar, Department of English, Meerut College, Meerut, for today's meeting. Both experts are accomplished scholars with extensive experience in teaching and research in the discipline of English. I now proceed to introduce the candidate whose promotion is under consideration today, Dr. Ranjana from Department of English, presently placed at academic level 10 and considered for promotion to academic level 11 under the Career Advancement Scheme. And I now invite Dr. Ranjana to present before the selection committee her teaching experience and other professional achievements relevant for CAS promotion. Dr. Ranjana, please.
थैंक यू मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, you are audible.
यू कैन प्रोसीड रंजना।
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Ranjana. My present designation is Assistant Professor in subject English. Presently, I am working Sri Rameshwar Das Agrawal Kanya PG College, Hathras. My date of joining is 14 July 2020, and eligibility of my promotion is 14 July 2024. Criteria for assessment: I have completed my 4 years of service on 14 July 2022, and I have completed my PhD 5 March 2022.
24.
I have completed my
20.
faculty induction program 22 Feb 2022. It lasted 28 March 2022. I have also completed my refresher course from 5 October 2023 to 18 October 2023. I have published my research paper in a peer-reviewed journal. It was published in 2023, and the title of my research paper was Responsibility of Females in John Irving's The Hotel, New Hampshire.
इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है वैसे आपको इसमें
हाँ,
इसमें खाली आपके वो 4 years और 1
Yes, yes.
वो ओरिएंटेशन और
बिल्कुल।
refresher चाहिए so there is no need
Criteria
to
only
explain this.
Only she needs only orientation and refresher course. That's all.
Yes, ma'am. And I have also written my chapter in edited book, and total publication in this period was 5 my research paper and 2 edited chapter and 13 national or international seminar I have presented. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ranjana, for your comprehensive presentation. I now solicit our dignified subject expert, Professor Manoj Kumar Sir, to kindly share his assessment, observation, and recommendation regarding candidate suitability for promotion. Professor Manoj Kumar Sir.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. According to me, the candidate has done more than the required things which is required for the promotion. She has published 5 research paper articles in books, and she has participated in seminars also. So it's okay. From my side, I recommend her promotion. It's okay. She has done a good job.
We are much obliged to you, sir, for your feedback. Congratulations, Ranjana. And now I call upon respected
ma'am.
Professor Avdesh
sir.
Kumar sir to share his insights and recommendations. Professor Avdesh Kumar sir.
Sure, ma'am. I also recommend her, ma'am.
Okay. We are grateful to you, sir, for your recommendation. Thank you so much. May I now urge Honorable Director Nominee Professor Rashmi Bishnoi Madam to offer her valuable feedback, remarks, and recommendation on the candidature of Dr. Ranjana.
We
Professor
can congratulate
Rashmi Bishnoi
Dr.
Madam.
Ranjana for her first promotion. She is
Okay.
eligible
So-
for promotion, and she fulfill all criterias of promotion.
Okay, we are grateful to you, ma'am, for your remarks and positive feedback. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Ranjana. You have got recommendation from both the subject experts and director nominee, ma'am. But you will not get the promotion until and unless principal ma'am recommends your promotion. So I now
Yeah.
very respectfully invite our principal, Professor Sushma Yadav Madam,
Thank you,
to
Sangeeta.
present us academic performance, professional conduct, and institutional contribution. Professor Sushma Yadav Madam, please.
Thank you, Sangeeta ji. Subject expert, Professor Manoj Kumar ji, Professor Avdesh जी, आप दोनों के रिकमेंडेशन और हमारे डायरेक्टर नॉमिनी प्रोफेसर रश्मि बिश्नोई जी, आप लोगों ने रिकमेंड कर दिया है। मेरा भी रिकमेंडेशन रंजना जी के लिए है और मैं भी रिकमेंड करती हूँ और इसके साथ ही आपको शुभकामनाएं और बधाई भी देती हूँ। धन्यवाद। इसके साथ ही मैं आज के अपने डायरेक्टर नॉमिनी रश्मि बिश्नोई जी का आभार भी प्रकट करती हूँ कि आपने 3 बजे के पहले 2 बजे हमारे संग मीटिंग ज्वाइन कर लिया। इसके लिए आपको धन्यवाद भी देती हूँ। हमारे
कोई धन्यवाद की जरूरत नहीं है,
दोनों
कोई
सब्जेक्ट
बिल्कुल।
एक्सपर्ट्स को, मनोज जी और अवधेश जी को भी धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि आपने प्रीपोन कर दिया ये मीटिंग, और इसके लिए आपको धन्यवाद। और आप सभी लोगों को एक बार पुनः धन्यवाद।
Thank you, madam, for your valuable recommendation. The proceedings of this meeting will be documented and further processed as per prescribed UGC norms. Come to the conclusion of
Director
today's
nominee.
promotion meeting. I, on behalf of institution and IQC, extend my sincere gratitude to Principal Professor Sushma Yadav Madam for her constant guidance and academic leadership. I express my heartfelt thanks to the dignified director nominee, Professor Rashmi Bishnoi ma'am, reputed subject experts, Professor Manoj Kumar sir and Professor Avdesh Kumar sir for their time, scholarly input and constructive evaluation, which are central to maintaining academic standards. And I am also obliged to the members of IQAC, Professor Ranjana Gupta, Professor Manju Verma, and Dr. Kalitesh Tiwari for their cooperation. I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of technical team of Mr. Pradeep and Mr. Vijay. They have also put in their efforts to make this meeting successful. I appreciate the cooperation of the candidate, Dr. Ranjana. Thank you all once again for your cooperation and esteemed presence. I wish everyone a pleasant day. Congratulations to Dr. Ranjana. With this, can we end the meeting with the
Thank you so
permission
much,
of
ma'am.
all the dignitaries? Can we end the
मैम
meeting?
1 मिनट में
या
हाँ
मैम मैं अभी कुछ बोलना चाह रही थी।
हाँ
मैम
बोलिए रजनी।
मैं भी अपनी तरफ से सबको थैंक यू बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि इतने कम नोटिस पे सब लोग बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट हो पाए। और सबसे ज्यादा थैंक यू मैम हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम का, आपका, मेरे दोनों सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट का, और उससे भी ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा मेरी रश्मि मैम का, जो बिल्कुल लास्ट मोमेंट पे फोन उठा के एकदम से रेडी हो गई। मैम सबके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।
नहीं नहीं, कोई और मीटिंग होती तो मेरी मजबूरी होती, बट आई वाज फ्री तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी। थैंक यू सो मच।
That's a good luck
Thank you,
also. That's
थैंक यू सुषमा जी, आपसे फिर बात करते हैं बाद में।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है।
okay.
Okay,
Thank you so
okay.
much, everyone.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
थैंक यू
Okay.
मैम।
Congratulations, congratulations, Dr.
Thank-
Ranjana, and
थैंक यू सो
thank
मच
you,
सर।
Sangeeta madam. Okay.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure meeting you all here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम।
चलो भोग वोग लगाओ, चलो मंदिर